thank you so much for making this day open for our pets. I've been helping na rin po, especially with Biyaya Animal Care, no? Nag-help po ako in my own little way kung paano po natin maaring matulungan yung mga ating animals in need. Maraming salamat sa Ayala Museum and sa Biyaya, no? Biyaya Animal Care kasi this is a very special day po, hindi lang para sa ating mga tao, kundi sa ating mga pets po. Kasi first ever, makakapasok yung ating mga pets sa pasyalan kagaya nitong museum. Paunti-unti nagiging inclusive na rin po tayo, no? Kaya naman talaga as long as we have the right policy.
So good afternoon, everyone. Most of what we know about the bodies of animals we live with, we learn when something goes wrong. So this is Randolph, ayan yung dog namin. So Randolph is a mixed breed Dalmatian, and Dalmatians don't break uric acid properly. I don't know if I was documenting grief or processing fear. Probably both. What I know is that making around 3,500 ceramic pieces about something that scared me was the only way I knew how to sit with it. I still don't know how, if illness has its own aesthetics, but I think the attempt to find out is where the work lives.